If you're building WordPress websites and you're tired of paying for expensive plugins every single year, then this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to get a free WordPress Essential Plugin Bundle that's normally worth $249 completely free. This is not clickbait, this is not a cracked plugin, and you don't need a credit card. I'll walk you through the exact steps on my screen, so make sure you watch until the end and follow along carefully. Let's get started. This plugin bundle includes multiple essential WordPress tools that are normally paid, tools for website design, performance, customization, and overall functionality. If you're a blogger, freelancer, web designer, or even a beginner just starting with WordPress, this bundle can save you a lot of money. Again, the original value is $249, but by following this method, you'll get it 100% free. Now let me show you exactly how to claim it. First, open your browser. In the address bar, type the following link exactly as you see it on the screen, or just click the link from the description. This will take you directly to the official pricing page of Essential Plugin. Make sure you're on the correct website before proceeding. Once the page loads, scroll down slightly. You'll see a button that says Grab the Deal. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the Checkout or Plan Selection page. On this page, you'll notice that the default plan is usually set to a yearly option. What you need to do here is very important. Look for the Lifetime option and switch to it. Once you select the Lifetime plan, click Grab the Deal again. Don't worry. Even though it says Lifetime, you will not be charged. Now you'll see a form asking for your personal details. Simply fill in your name, your email. Make sure you use a valid Gmail address because this is where your download link will be sent. Double-check your email before moving forward. After filling in your details, click the button that says Free Download. At this point, the system will process your request. There's no payment step, no card details, and no hidden charges, just a clean, free download process. Now, open your Gmail inbox. Within a few minutes, you should receive an email containing your plugin download link, access instructions, and any additional setup information. If you don't see it immediately, check your Spam or Promotions tab. Mine is in Purchase tab. And that's it. You've just unlocked a WordPress Essential Plugin Bundle worth $249, completely free. No tricks, no cracked files, no subscription fees. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials like this. Also, drop a comment below and let me know if the method worked for you, or if you want more WordPress and website building tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.